Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your aura frame is filled with pictures you no longer want to display, learning how to remove photos can help keep your digital frame organized and updated with the memories you actually want to see. Sometimes users unintentionally upload duplicate images, add the wrong pictures, or simply decide to refresh what appears on the aura frame. Since photos can be managed through the Aura app or frame settings, the process may feel a little confusing if you are doing it for the first time. The good part is that deleting pictures usually only takes a few taps once you know where the controls are located. Whether you want to remove a single image or clean up multiple uploads, the process is simple. In this video, I will show you step by step how to delete photos from an Aura frame easily. Try these. Step 1. Open the Aura app connected to the Aura frame and make sure the Aura frame is linked correctly. Step 2. Go to the photo gallery section inside the Aura app to view pictures added to the Aura frame. Step 3. Select the photo on the Aura frame that you want to remove from the Aura frame display. Step 4. Tap the delete or remove option in the Aura app to delete the selected Aura frame photo. Step 5. Allow the Aura frame to sync so the Aura frame updates after the photo removal. Step 6. Check the Aura frame display again and confirm the Aura frame no longer shows the deleted photo.